Whenever we need to hire somebody, our go-to place is our own social media, and I'm very proud about it because we'll be able to quickly fill in the vacancies. And my team said, Work India, Naukri, everywhere you have put, but still go ahead and do this. So people, there is one vacancy for a customer support and front desk in our Katrugupe, Bangalore, Banashankari third stage office. And this is especially for women who understand what the brand is. And we are not at first into sales. We first have lots of queries coming in from parents about how to take care of a baby, what is the ideal age to start solids, my baby fell down, how can I support the baby. So share the videos of Tots and Moms which are already there, and eventually while doing this, if they inquire about the product, they know about the brand, then is when the sale happens, and then is when we tell about the product. So we want people, women who understand another parent, who would support them, and this is the major role, and that's why we are looking for women for this role, and a mother especially. 10 to 8, Monday to Sunday, 1 week off would be there. So the salary for it would be 15,000 to 25,000, slightly negotiable if the candidate is very good. Other role is 9:30 to 7, Monday to Saturday only, and 15 to 20,000 for customer support and other operational jobs we would be giving it. So please apply, link in bio.